Hey, what's going on guys? It's Paul Motley here, and I just wanted to introduce you to the channel first off. This channel is specifically for those people that want to be able to quit the 9-to-5 or even retire early through affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where you get paid a commission for recommending a product or service that someone else has made. And would you believe that 82% of all websites that sell something online actually have an affiliate program? Now you can go and check that out because eBay have it, Walmart have it, Target has it. There are so many things, even Amazon has it. So there are so many different platforms and products and services that have an affiliate program. All you need to do is go to one of your favorites, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it might say partners or affiliates. And then you can go ahead and most of the time you can become an affiliate for free. And it might actually be easier to replace your income than you think. Passive income can be achieved by being an affiliate where a product or service requires a monthly fee for the end user. That means you're going to get paid a commission for that end user for as long as they remain a customer with that product or service. And that commission happens every month, so it's well worth checking out. In marketing, we're always told to niche down, and that means basically taking a real deep dive into the audience or the person that you are actually marketing to. And in my case, I looked at my stats on my channel, and most of them are male, but it's not directly focused on male audiences, but they were also 25 years and above. And again, if you are below that age and you're watching this, that's great, but most of the products and most of the content is going to be aimed towards an older market. Now, if you want to have this sort of content in your life, and if you want to learn directly from me, then this is a reason why you need to subscribe, because everything that I'm going to be putting out from now on is going to be based around those target audiences. So like I said, make sure you subscribe, hitting the notification bell as well, because that way you can get notified every time a new video comes out. And I am planning on doing at least one video every single week, so make sure you check back often, and I'll catch you on the next video.